Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to paint Naruto on this tote bag. So this is a very simple tote bag and I wanted to give it a makeover. So I thought why not paint something on it. So before drawing any rough sketch, you need to make sure there is a plain surface, and for that you need to insert a piece of cardboard inside the bag and then you can start your rough sketch. So firstly, when I started drawing on the tote bag, I thought I shouldn't be making many mistakes because I thought eraser won't work, but to my surprise eraser was working very well on the cloth bag. So here I am using acrylic paints. I have made this video a while ago and I have washed the bag so many times, but it does not fade, the color does not fade, or the acrylic paint haven't chipped off. So I feel like acrylic paints are best for these kind of artworks, and the further painting process is going to be a time lapse. So when the main elements are already done, I decided to create sort of this yellow, orange and red background. So I am using palette knife to apply the colors, and further I'll be using a flat brush to blend them. And here comes the most satisfying part of this artwork, is the outline. I feel like it is very satisfying to watch, and also how the picture comes to life. And this is it. The tape peel was so satisfying. These are the final results. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.